Hi friends, now I will discuss about lead assignment. So the moment there is a new lead in the software, maybe that has come automatically, manually, different matter. The moment there is a new lead in the software, we have to assign that lead to our executive so that they can start working on the lead. How do you assign? Assignment can happen automatically based on certain logic or manually. Automatic assignment logic could be in a round robin method so that everybody gets equal number of leads, or it could be based on the region, based on the location, based on product, based on some other logic, right? So whenever we will work with you, you need to tell us you will prefer automatic assignment or manual assignment. Now, how manual assignment happens? Here I will click change owner. I can select whom I want to assign the lead. Example, I want to assign it to Shubhadeep. I will send notification and say change owner, and this particular lead will be notification will go to Shubhadeep. How? There are four type of notification, you can enable here. One, Shubhadeep can get a bell notification. He can get a pop-up notification over here. He will get WhatsApp notification, SMS, and email notification. So even Shubhadeep is not in office, he is somewhere in the market. He will see the notification on WhatsApp that this is the name of the client, this is the contact number, this is the email ID, this is the requirements, and he can coordinate with the client. On the other hand, you can do one more thing. The moment it is assigned to an executive, you can inform the contact person. Who is the contact person here? Mr. Kiran Kumar. You can send one more notification to Mr. Kiran Kumar through email and WhatsApp saying, sir, we have assigned your inquiry to one of our senior executive, Mr. Shubhadeep. His contact number is this. You can reach out to him, if you wish. So you are sharing the salesperson number with the client, and if client is in hurry, he has some urgency, he can also coordinate and take the discussion forward. Yeah, so this is all about the lead assignment. Anything you want to discuss further, please let us know. Thank you.